Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Nation.MREfinds, and I'm so glad you can join me again for another ration review. For this morning's breakfast review, we have a menu number 4, pork sausage maple patty. I'm ecstatic, I'm very excited, I'm hungry. So let's go ahead and check out the contents inside this MRE. So as you can see, we have the main course, pork sausage patty, crackers, standard. Got our fan favorite here, dehydrated granola with milk and blueberries. We got a little Pop-Tart going on. Got a toaster pastry, chocolate chip flavored. We got some apple butter and table syrup to put on our patty. All right, everyone, I'm pretty hungry. I'm gonna get everything trayed up. Let's get eating. That looks I gotta grab a blueberry, man. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that blueberry. Whoop. Oh man, such incredible flavor. You know we gotta get some hot water up in here. There we go, that's just the right amount for me. I don't want it too soupy. Wow, that is super refreshing. Oh man, that is like freshly squeezed oranges. Oh, perfect in the morning. Wow, tangy, tart, sweet, but it's not sickeningly sweet. It doesn't give you the zing behind the ears. You know, that gazing, if it's too tart or sour, it doesn't have that. But let's get our taster's choice out. Nescafe. Looks like he's enjoying himself a Nescafe. Perfect. No mold. I am going to use some sugar though. I do like some sugar in my coffee. I just don't like any creamer or anything in it. Looks like the sugar is, caked up a bit, but not the coffee. Go figure. There we go. Use up all that last bit of water. Wow, I'm getting a nostalgia kind of aroma. And for that 1 pack of sugar, that is perfect. There's no bitterness. There's a slight acidity, but I kind of like that. I kind of want that in the morning. A nice, like, acidity, kind of like a bitterness acidity to wake you up. Nothing better than a nice, bold roast coffee to wake you up in the morning. And if I'm out in the field and if I'm having this, this breakfast menu, this is what I want. This is almost a near perfect coffee, and it resembles almost like an instant coffee type 2. There is acidity in there and a little bit of a bitterness, but just enough to jolt your taste buds, wake you up, and give you a nice boost of energy, which you definitely need if you're a soldier out there. That is good coffee. We got this apple butter and table syrup. This stuff right here, this spread, it darkens over time. That's okay, it oxidizes, but for me, it almost fermentates. It gets stronger. Oh, that's like my taste buds are just dancing all over the place. Not too harsh, even though it has gotten stronger over time. Very tart and sweet. It almost resembles Russian apple jam. Now let's give it a shot here. All right, here we go. That crunch from the cracker combined with that velvety and rich texture and taste of the apple butter. I mean, this came from an MRE? This? Oh man, yeah, it did. Let's see what it looks like. Whoa. Ah, not cool. Look at all that juice everywhere. All right. Let's get the milk and blueberries out, y'all. Can't forget about them. I have to go for a bite of this. I mean, doesn't that look good, y'all? This is heavenly. This is just perfection right here. And the granola, very wholesome. I mean, it's a very wholesome crunch. I love that texture of the granola. That is a good granola. All right, we have these two other side components. Before we get to the main, let's get to these two components here. We got this maple muffin top, which is looking pretty good. All right, let's crack it open. Wow. It just gives. I gotta go for the center. Oh man. That reminds me of the maple nut cake out of an 80s MRE. Softer, it's not as dense as an 80s or 90s maple nut cake. So I wanna make a blueberry maple muffin. Blueberry muffin maple, let's give it a shot here. And soft chew of the muffin top. Combine that with the nice, sweet, rich granola, wholesome, hearty granola. That was a great combination, fantastic pairing. That was seriously top notch. Okay, let's go for this patty here. It almost smells like the jalapeno patty. How this is gonna taste. And the maple smell is very artificial too. Whoa. Oh, that is seriously, what a pleasant surprise. This is outstanding. Wow. Yo, I was expecting some weird patty that's maple flavored. Not very good. You know, MRE mains. You know how it is with MREs. This is seriously gourmet. Dude, the patty is so tender. What the heck? And this almost tastes like something you can get out of like a mom and pop sit down little diner restaurant breakfast thing. I didn't even put the table syrup on it yet, man. Oh man. Let's put this on a crack. I want to put it on a cracker. I got this cracker sitting here. All right, here we go. Got the patty with the cracker. Wasn't that good, I'll be honest. It kind of threw it off, actually. The wheat flavor and the little bit of barley does not mix with the maple sausage patty. This is going to taste like a pancake. I know it is. Oh man. How this food lasts for decades is beyond me. But this was a wonderful MRE. Let's give the sausage patty. Combine that with the maple muffin top. What a wonderful breakfast. I mean, if I was a soldier out there, I would be trading. I'd want this menu for breakfast every time of the day. Every day, every week, every month I'm out there in the field. I want this MRE for breakfast. And you know it's a tradable item. You know this is a hot commodity. I mean, everyone's going to try to get this menu. It's a fantastic menu. Really is. Everything pairs well together. They complement each other very well. And that's what you want in an MRE. You don't want mixed match crap that you can't really mix together. And, you know, you can't get experimental and you can't get creative, innovative with these rations. This is one of them where Natick Food Labs went really off trail with this one, because they made everything go together. Everything is breakfasty, some sort of breakfasty type component, and they really knocked out. Well, the patty is gone. Let's go for this Pop-Tart here. A little nice little chocolate Pop-Tart. Let's go for it. Nice and chocolatey. Sweet, not too sweet. Perfect for the morning. You know what'll make it even better? Put it in this granola milk. Let's try it now. Something about that granola and milk and blueberries just enhances the flavor of anything. The chocolatiness of the Pop-Tart somehow, it just brings it out. It's more pronounced on the chocolate. I would say a nice 52% dark chocolate. Let's try this combination. Got some apple butter with milk and granola. Let's give it a shot. The flavor is conflicted. That wasn't it. But for the sake of MRE completion, I am going to put all the rest of that nice sweet apple butter in there. You know what? Why not? This was an excellent MRE. I hope you all enjoyed the ride with me. This was a fantastic MRE. If you can get your hands on a 2010 pork sausage maple patty, I would highly recommend it. You know, coming into this, I wasn't that hungry. And I was thinking, you know, why not this MRE for breakfast? And I'm so glad I went with this. And I could use this moist towelette. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little sticky. Oh, never mind. It's dry as a bone. No moisture in it. I can't even unwrap it. Oh well, forget it. I'll just wash my hands. Not that big of a deal. Last thing to do is the coffee here. Breaks right in. Nice peppermint. Very artificial peppermint, so not that good. Probably the lackluster part of the meal. And not gonna lie, I might spit. Yeah, I'm gonna spit it out. Okay, I'm just gonna cover that up. Sorry, my apologies. Yeah, that was I don't need a refreshment, an after breakfast refreshment. I'm good on the refreshments. So I hope you have enjoyed this MRE review as much as I did eating it and trying it. This was real good eating. I'm happier than a hot pig in cold mud, y'all. This was real good eating. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching and commenting and supporting. Love all the comments. I be liking all the comments. So thank you for all the love and support. This was a mini number 4 pork sausage patty, maple flavored, from 2010. Thank you all for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next ration review. Take care.